The human urinary system consists of two kidneys where blood is filtered and urine is made, two ureters which transport urine from the kidneys to the bladder, one single bladder where urine can be temporarily stored, and one single urethra which eliminates urine from the body. The two ureters transport urine from the kidneys to the bladder. The kidneys are retroperitoneal. They are behind the peritoneum, which lines the body cavity where the digestive organs can be found. The ureters also lie behind the peritoneum as they transport urine towards the bladder. The position of the ureters can vary in mammals. In the egg-laying monotremes, it enters the bladder closer to the base, and it varies throughout groups of mammals. In humans, the ureters enter the bladder obliquely, and this way, as the bladder fills, it puts pressure on the openings to the ureters, which prevents the backflow of urine back towards the kidneys. The urinary bladder is lined by a type of epithelium known as transitional epithelium, which allows it to stretch. This same epithelium is encountered along the ureters. There are several layers of cells. The basal layer is more cuboidal, and the superficial layer may change its appearance depending on whether it is stretched, at which point it appears more squamous, or relaxed, at which point it appears more cuboidal. An alkaline mucus can be secreted, which helps protect the ureter from urine, which can be acidic. And the fused cell membranes between epithelial cells form tight junctions which prevent the urea and urine which have collected in the bladder from passing through these epithelial cells where they might re-enter the bloodstream. There is smooth muscle in the wall of the ureter, an inner longitudinal layer, and an outer circular layer. And thus it is not just by gravity that urine reaches the bladder, but also through the waves of peristaltic muscle contractions in the smooth muscle of the ureter linings. If dissecting a male mammal, one needs to be careful of the ureter given that the vas deferens passes over it. This is a reproductive tube coming from the spermatic cord, and the vas deferens transports sperm over the ureter to the prostate where it fuses with the urethra.